Hello, today I'd like to show you how to convert data contained in a single column into a table. A careful look at the data in this column shows a pattern of names with their respective amounts. And therefore, we can create a table out of it showing two fields, i.e. name and then amount. We're going to do so using the WRAPROWS function equal to WRAPROWS. The vector represents the column or row containing your data. So I select that. I introduce my comma. The wrap count indicates the number of fields you want in your table. We need two fields, that is the name and then amount. So I indicate 2. Then hold on with the pad width for now, it's optional. But we are going to see how to use it in this very lesson. So I close the bracket, press enter. So you realize the names are duly populated with their respective amounts in separate columns. Because there's no amount for Heyman, WRAPROWS is returning for us an NA error. This is where the pad width kicks in. So I go back to modify my formula by taking off the bracket, then introducing my comma. So the pad width argument allows you to replace your NA error with whatever value you so desire. So I introduce the double quotes and then enter no salary. So instead of an A error, I don't see no salary. Can then close my bracket and press enter. So at least this shows a better result and it's more presentable to have it this way instead of an NA error. If we wanted the horizontal or transposed version of this report, we could have used the WRAPCOLS or WRAPCOLONS function, which is directly the opposite of WRAPROWS, so equal to WRAPCOLS. Again, we select our vector, which is the column containing our data. Introduce our comma, then 2. Introduce our comma again, and then insert no salary in the case of Heyman. So I press enter, and this is the result we have here. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.